Today we're talking about the latest updates on Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. Now, RBC says that it'll take Optimus until 2050 to take about 5% of the estimated $9 trillion humanoid robot market. I'm confident that RBC is wrong. Wait until the end and why I believe that Tesla is going to win this battle. Welcome to my channel where I give you the latest Tesla news. Optimus changes have been making waves recently with updates with its design as well as the software. It is essential to understand its relevance and impact. These updates are not just incremental, they are designed to address significant challenges. Therefore, the previous version of Optimus had limitations. For one, no part could be bought. They all had to be designed and produced by Tesla. Tesla is improving several of Optimus parts. For instance, the humanoid robot hands.
Well, it turns out the human hands are they've evolved to be this incredibly sophisticated machine. Like your hand is actually a remarkable thing. Look closely at your hands. And think of all the things you could do with your hands, which is a lot.
I can think of many things. Yeah, I was just thinking about something.
Your hands are a very versatile instrument.
Yeah, you can give a high five.
Very versatile. You can swing a baseball bat. You can thread needles. You can put thread in a needle. You can play the piano with violin. You could disassemble or assemble a car. The hands are incredibly versatile instruments. Most of the muscles of the hand are actually in the forearm. So your hand is kind of like a puppet. Like it's mostly a puppet. The muscles are coming from the forearm, and they're pulling the tendons, which are also human tendon design or human tendon evolution is incredibly good. So you've got this web of tendons. You've got, I think the human hand has something like, depending on how you count it, 27 or 28 degrees of freedom in the hand. It's amazing. So in order to create a robot that can be a generalized humanoid, you must solve the hands problem.
Now, why are the hands so important? Now, if Optimus, the humanoid robot, is to be exchanged to human labor, the hands are extremely important. Sorting, packing, selecting, anything is done by hands. Tesla's improved Optimus hands to match very closely the design of human hands. Another thing is human movement. Now, what's going on with improving human movement? Now, recently, Tesla has demonstrated an Optimus performing Kung Fu. A humanoid robot will have to be integrated into society without big hassles. It'll help support and work with humans for increased productivity. Is the martial arts move necessary? Maybe not. But it'll help to demonstrate the stability and balance. Now, CEO Elon Musk predicted that Optimus, the Tesla humanoid robot, will eventually make up a majority of Tesla's value. The robot still faces significant technical challenges, production delays, and increasing competition.
We're finalizing the design of Optimus version 3. And that really is going to be a very remarkable robot. It will have essentially the manual dexterity of a human, so meaning a very complex hand. An AI mind that can navigate and comprehend reality, and it will be made in very high volume. Those are the three things that are missing. Like if you see any other robotics company, they're missing those three things.
Recent updates include progress on Optimus Gen 3 prototypes and plans for potential mass production, though some expert remains skeptical about its ability to solve the complex engineering problems associated with a general-purpose robot. Now, Optimus was recently showcasing performing kung fu moves. It was a collaboration between Tesla, Disney, and xAI. Tesla aims to have Optimus Gen 3 prototype ready at the end of 2025, with full-scale production planned for early 2026. Why would Optimus be so important to Tesla? Musk has repeatedly stated that Optimus will be Tesla's most important product, potentially making up the majority value and then becoming a bigger business than its electric cars. The company is targeting 1 million units per year within 5 years of the start of mass production.
I think that the marginal cost of production, once you hit 1 million units per year, is probably around the $20,000 range. But the AI chip will be pretty expensive. Like that might be like $5,000 or $6,000 of the bill of materials, maybe more.
Tesla envisions Optimus taking over dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks from humans, leading to a future where physical labor is a choice. Now, the robot still faces challenges such as achieving human-like hand dexterity, improving hardware, and increasing battery life. Mass production has been slower than initial targets due to these technical issues and design revisions. Tesla is facing growing competition in the robotics space, with companies like Google and other automakers developing their own advanced robotics. Some reports suggest that past Optimus demos have relied on remote human operators, and there are questions about how much of the robot's performance is truly generalized AI learning versus choreographed routines. However, Optimus is still learning, just like FSD is still learning. Now, there are millions of Tesla cars on the road, but Optimus just started. There are no other Optimus robots out yet. This might take a little bit longer than we hope for, but I believe in the end it will be glorious. And yes, competition is coming, but a humanoid robot under 5 feet might not be what you want. I would call this an expensive toy. Now, Tesla will try to make Optimus affordable. Also, Tesla will be able to produce the humanoid robot in quantities. As Tesla designed the hardware, it designs the machinery to produce it. And talking about the bot's hands, Elon said in Tesla's last earnings call that they are working on Optimus's hands. Optimus is becoming more human-like as we speak. So why are we even talking about all this? Isn't it years away from where we are today? Well, do not get influenced by the media. Optimus is getting closer. Maybe we won't see an Optimus robot this year, but we will sure see some development getting closer next year. And remember, this is a brand new product, has never been developed in our lifetime. I believe we are heading into the future. It might sound scary for some, but we might get pleasantly surprised. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any further updates. I really appreciate you being here, and goodbye.